In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Twilio mobile number. Whether you're setting up for business communications or personal projects, having a dedicated mobile number through Twilio can be incredibly advantageous. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step so you can secure your very own Twilio mobile number efficiently and confidently. First, you'll need to log in to your Twilio account. Head over to console.twilio.com in your web browser. If you haven't set up an account yet, now would be a good time to do so. Make sure your credentials are ready, and once you're logged in, we're going to proceed by navigating through Twilio's interface. Look over to the sidebar. Here, you'd want to follow the path. Develop, then phone numbers, followed by manage, and finally, buy a number. This pathway will lead you to the section where we can search and secure a phone number that suits your needs. Now that we've reached the buying section, we have a few filter options to consider. First up, the country or region. Select the specific country where you want your number based. This is particularly useful if you're targeting communications in a specific geographical area. After that, it's essential to choose mobile under number type or capabilities. This ensures that the number you'll be acquiring supports both voice and SMS functionalities, which is key for versatile communication needs. If you have a specific area code or prefix in mind, you can enter that information as well. It's optional, but can be handy if you're aligning the new number with existing branding or regional requirements. With all your preferences set, click on Search. Twilio will now display a list of available numbers matching your criteria. Alongside each number, you'll see details like pricing and capabilities, so you have a clear understanding of what you're getting. Once you've found the perfect number, go ahead and click on Buy this number next to it. Twilio will prompt you to confirm the purchase, displaying the monthly cost and capabilities of the number. Review the information carefully to ensure it matches your needs and budget. Finally, once the purchase is confirmed, there's an important configuration step. Navigate to the number settings and set up hit handlers for SMS or voice. This configuration is crucial as it will determine how incoming messages and calls are handled by your systems. And there you have it. That's how you get a Twilio mobile number. Ensuring each step is followed carefully guarantees that your setup is smooth and effective. Remember, having a dedicated number through Twilio not only enhances your communication abilities, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your operations. Thanks for watching, and until next time,